आज का हमारा टॉपिक है a true Muslim. The Holy Quran says, verily the true religion with Allah is Islam. Allah has created the universe including man. Then we may know about the needs of man better than created himself. As guidance is a spiritual need of man, Allah guided the man. For this purpose he sent many prophets. They did the work to guide the man. The last and the greatest among them is our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He taught the favorite message of Allah, Islam. The holy prophet said, Allah creates every person on the nature of Islam. There are the parents who turn him into a Christian or a Jew. Islam is a true religion. It is a complete code of life. The followers of Islam are called Muslims as it is said in poem. We aim for highest, praying for longest, asking for forgiveness. The fullest, thinking about the heaven is the sweetest, taking the path is riders, living life is toughest, fighting the game like previous. I am Muslim, never can refrain us, come along and join us. A true Muslim is the one who follows the principles of Islam fully. He possesses all the instructive traits. It is said, he prays best who loves all. He has firm faith in Allah, His Prophet, angels, books, and the day of destruction. He also believes in good or had faith after having this from firm faith. He says prayers 5 times a day. He pays zakat and performs hajj. He fasts during the whole month of Ramadan. The life of a true Muslim reflects the true spirit of Islam. He never violates the golden principles of Islam, as it is said. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. When character is lost, everything is lost. His dealings and conduct with people are always exemplary. He holds a high standard of morality. A true Muslim is not a wealth speaker. He is contented with what he earns from his noble labor. The wealth of the whole world cannot give him peace and contentment. His peace and contentment lies in bowing before Allah. As Holy Quran says, verily the embrace of Allah is the only source of peace for hearts. A true Muslim never ignored the direction showed by our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He respects others and respected by others. He remains polite and never harm others. The Holy Quran says, a Muslim is the one from whose hand and things other Muslims are safe. He performs his duties magnificently. He meets all his obligations in respect of his parents, family, relatives, and country. It is said, prayer is the voice of faith. A true Muslim is like a flower that gives its fragrance even to the hands that crush it. It does not try to run after him who tries to avoid him. A true Muslim believes that a wise man first thinks and then speaks, but a fool speaks first and then thinks. A true Muslim is neither a miser nor a spendthrift. He maintains balance between these two extremes. He is thankful to Allah in his prosperity. He shows patience in adversity. As the Holy Quran says, verily Allah is with patience. He knows that the joy and sorrows of this world are temporary. He knows that the purpose of his life is to please Allah. Knowledge is obligatory in Islam. A true Muslim learns from the lap of his mother to his grave. Our Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised us to gain knowledge in the following words. It is the duty of every Muslim to gain knowledge. A man of wealth has many enemies, while a man of knowledge has many friends. He is always broad-minded. He ponders over the secrets of the universe. He ever struggles to discover the treasures of hidden treasures of the universe. As Holy Quran says, visit on the earth and see. He never feels hesitant in adopting and using modern technologies.